So we are not just a country. We also are building a technological infrastructure for our citizens. That's you. And the one which I would like to start with, the one which can make us excited, which is exciting, and we are continuously working to improve it, is the Liberland app. Liberland app is, imagine Uber, but for everything. It is a central app for the Liberlander, for the settler, for the member of the international community. And its primary purpose is indeed to organize work, to be a universal marketplace in your mobile phone. Its secondary purpose is to use it for government services and for private services, meaning, for example, private police, private security, and so on and so forth. Let's continue. So the core functionality, as I said, is jobs, and that works even now. So please download it and you can take a look. That if you start a job, if you click on the jobs tab, you will see a list of already posted jobs, to which you can answer. Those jobs are anything and everything. It's not just taxi jobs by any means. Software development, delivery of something inside and outside of Liberland. We also have incidents, which are mostly for Liberland itself, and that's for various issues in the settlement. And then we have geolocated jobs, which are special jobs that have to be done in a certain place. So these are three types of jobs. Global job, job anywhere, work anywhere. A geolocated job, which is a job at a special place, say in Liberland, and an incident, which is about settlement. Can create a new job. It's a very simple process. I will not go into details here. You can say how many people can do this job, what will be their reward, and you can also tag it to be found. Now, next functionality of this is a map. So ever wondered where are Liberlanders around you? Where do they live? Where are they located? If there are any, you can meet them well. Now you don't need to wander anymore. Just download our app and you will see them from the comfort of your own mobile phone. And you can click on them as you see them and you can contact them. Of course, these are, it's up to them whether they will talk to you. You can't invade their privacy. But in general, people who are active users show we are mindful of your privacy, so you have to be really active users. And if you're not logging in to the app, then your old position will show. Again, this is by design because we are mindful that you maybe not want to be seen all the time. People who accept your contact, people whom you know, will be in your friend list. That is like in any social network, and we want to be a kind of social network, a unique one, very professional one, and economically minded one, but also fun-minded one. Here is my friend list, and you can have yours if you download the app. And with your friends, you can chat. The chat will be improved. It's now a kind of a rudiment, but it's already working. You can chat all you please. Soon you'll be able to send documents, and you'll be able to send other things like videos, pictures, and so on and so forth. Links, you name it. So now there is this tab called alerts. What's this for? We call this Uberizing of police, and mainly this is for Liberland settlement again. So how is it working? Is that if you are a settler and you get an incident from some party which doesn't like your settling and acts illegally in your opinion, you can warn the other settlers. Nothing less, nothing more. And you can sweeten the palm of the helper, meaning it's kind of a semi-job. It's a special type of job, an alert. And there are several types of alert. You see danger, fire, medical, photo. Photo means like that you need documentation and something really goes happening for a follow-up process. And the general alert, which, okay, I need something, but it's not one of those things. Cop alert is quite self-explanatory. Okay, and we have the news, which is a copy of our www.liberland.org/news, where you will get news to your mobile app as we publish them. You're going to get them. And last but not least, I don't have it shown here. You see Gazette. Gazette's the official publication of the government. It's going to be more important in this year. We have just had 2 pilot editions. Now we're making a 3rd one, but we want to do it every week. So every week you get a new Gazette, probably on Friday or Monday next week for the previous week. And then you can see what official documents are published by the government. and whatever official legal instruments are published there, they are law in Liberland. So in future, we will have a residency, the entire residency flow in the app, and you'll also be able to use the app as a visit card. It's really handy. If you're at a conference, you can show your QR code, and people who don't have the app, by the way, will be able to scan it, and they'll get to a page on liberland.org where it's your public profile, and they'll be able to save it either into the app or in other contact forms like WhatsApp or Telegram, and they'll see everything there. Future is also in the future, we will also use the app as a CRM for the government. So that's kind of administrative thing, but it's not just for the government. We'll publish it for you. So imagine that you have a free version of an app to organize your work. Yeah, you can. And perhaps there will be even a paid tier for special functions and support like any professional CRM. But it will be powerful and workflow minded, so that people will get roles, and then you'll be able to say, this type of job is only for this role, and then for 3 roles, and they go one after the other. So like the sales guy gives it to sales support gives it to sales internal service, and then you give it to back office to process the successful sales case, and then you give it to invoicing office to get the money from the guy. So we are going to build this very soon. And we will also be onboarding people as our helpers and workers and contractors. Like of course, we're working on basis of that everybody is an enterprise, everybody is a company. So subcontractors will be also soon doing it here, also with like newsletters like that, like the one on the right, but everything will be accessible in the app. And last but not least, we'll put a blockchain there. The blockchain, I'm going to talk about it soon, but our app is not going to be a wallet. We don't want to be a custodian of your keys, but we will connect to another wallet like Subwallet, and then you'll be able to use all those blockchain functions, which are already graphically optimized for mobile phone. You'll be able to use them from the app. So it's going to be very handy. And currently it is available on both Google Play and App Store. So please now go to your Google Play and App Store and download the app.